Hello and welcome to Not a Proper Classic. Today we're trying to get the cigarette lighter and the radio working by changing a fuse. I think there is one under here. That might be it. So I'll get in and have a look. Yeah, my experimenting's shown that that's not it. That's a module for something. So that's not it. It is up there. So let me get in and have a look and see what's what and try and sort out and see if there's a fuse that's not working. I don't know how well you can see under here, but I've contorted myself in and under the dashboard. There's the steering wheel. Oh, there you go. There are my legs and stuff, so it's not very comfortable. But I'm trying to find out why the 12 volt and the radio aren't working, and well, there's not enough space really to do anything. But there was a fuse there, which was this one. It's a 5, and that has blown. What for? And using my expert Japanese, it looks like that's meant to be a 15 amp fuse. So I've now put on what I think are spares. Put the little puller out, which I've got a 15 here, which looks like it's good. So let's, oh God, my arms, oh, there's no space. So I've got 15 in there now. Let's pop. Actually, let's leave the fuses on the floor. Now I need to talk myself out to see if that fuse has sorted the radio and stuff. So give me 20 minutes while I get out the car. Right, I'm back out. Let's pop key in ignition. It's on. Very Japanese beeps. Power. Still nothing. Leave that in and see what happens on that one, but I might have to pop that out because I want that to work, because just look at it, it's so cool. Check back in a minute, guys. That has stayed firmly cold, so that's not that. So it's obviously an issue somewhere else, so yeah, I'll have a little route around and see what else I can find. So there's another 15 that's blown, which is, I don't know what you can see up there, which is that one. So I need to get some more fuses, because there's also 7.5. Is it another 15 that's gone? Was it 10? Oh, I can't remember now, but it's in the center console. So I've got a 15 that's gone. So I'll put it back in upside down so I know which one that is, and I'll continue checking the others. Well, I feel trip to Halford's coming on. I need two 15s. So there's the one that's upside down there, and then there's the 5, which should be a 15 as well. So I'll have lunch, go to Halford's, get a couple of 15s and a spare, which is probably a 15. So 3 15 fuses, and we'll see how we go. But that could be it. Also found evidence of the respray there. But yeah, Halford's, here we come. Here we go, we've got the new fuses in. Top middle, second bottom left, and the spare one that's in the spare holder. So let's wiggle myself out and see if that's worked. And then I'm gonna go cry because this hurts. Okay, we're in. Oh. I mean, it's alive. Okay. So I just got a lot of that. I realised that wasn't on camera. Well, that works. Does that work? I'll have to go get my Bluetooth adapter in a minute. See if that works. Oh, this is exciting. I mean, it's not exciting audio because you're not actually watching anything happen, but yes, 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 it works. Oh, that's a good fix. Right, let me go get my bits and bobs for it then. So I've got my adapter, which means I can put my dash cam in, and I want to see if the USB thingamdoodly works there, and I'm going to clear up all of the mess I've made down there. I'll go back in a minute, but yes, the beat's living better. I've also got a car cover and a screen cover. It's a half one for a small car, but it'll probably cover this because there was a slight dribble from there and there, but I'll allow it that. It's 32 years old, but I've got a small USB thingy-madoodly to go in there, and I've got, arguably more importantly, but unless you're in my insurance company, it's not, this USB thing which will go into my cassette player and give me Bluetooth for the car, so I can play music through it and I guess speak through my phone on it. But I'm just going to test that, see if it works. I probably can't do that while I'm filming on the phone, so you'll just have to believe me. Put a bit in there, and then I can start wiring in and routing a dash cam to go up there somewhere. But this is exciting. It is feeling like it's a proper car and not just a new toy at the moment now. So yeah, I'll check back in a minute, guys. Annoyingly, I think that needs charging. So I'll try that. I might just chuck it in and see if the tape cassette player actually registers it or not, but yeah, charging, that needs to be charged. So I'll do that, and then I'll try that again later, but I can at least put the dash cam and stuff in, so that's my job now. I mean, it may not have a battery, but it takes it in and wants to try, so I'll take that. I just need somewhere to put that to go now, maybe there or somewhere, but it's in and it works. So satisfying. So I've loosely wired in. The dash cam's going to be tidied up better than that, but I've also borrowed a cassette. I won't be able to play it for very long because copyright reasons, but on it beat. Oh, it's not a bad sound. It works. Let's stop that before I get copyrighted though. I have music, which means I will have Bluetooth when the thing's been charged, so results. Yeah, I'll finish faffing around. Also going to try and put this in, my speedo, probably in that corner, but I haven't got space or the hands for extra bits, so I'll just cut back in when it's there. Ignore the frost cover. I've done that to stop the little drips coming in that corner and that corner, but the dash cam's in. It's tidied up a little bit there. Got my speedo, and I've got my working 12-volt socket. So from here, at least it looks good. I'll move that out of the way so you can't see that. So there we go. So I've got driving. I can see my speedo. I just need to get the rev counter and the fuel thing working, but I think that's a cluster job. But yeah, progress. So we are getting there. So jobs 1 and 2, I guess, which is 1 and 2 done on the beat. So yeah, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one when it could be gear knob, could be rev cluster, could be something completely different. But yeah, thanks for watching and take care, guys. See you soon.